To my channel. Ito na yung vlog natin, guys. Sorry, video pictures pala. Channel pictures si Ma'am Jen Recipe. Yan. Medyo malapit na siya matapos. Ma'am Jen Recipe. Ito yung kuha niya, yung channel niya. Ito. From Canada. Sarap ng niluto ni Ma'am. Oh. Ang title to kay You Won't Believe It. You won't believe how good this air fryer mushroom is. Yan ang title. So, ito yung pinipictures natin last vlog. Hindi tapos. Ngayon, tapos na. So, yan. Si Kuan naman. Ito naman natin Kuan. Si Pogi Boy. Yan, si Pogi Boy pala. Ito yung channel na. Huwag niyo kalimutan i-subscribe. I found the most beautiful tulip. Yan, Pogi Boy. You know, from America yan. Okay. Pogi Boy from America. Dalawa sila. Ano na yung isa kasama niya. Nagplay ang ako kay Drone from Life. Ito. Playing. I am watching now. Drone from Life. Shout out from Germany. My member, and then shout out from America, living after 50s. Shout out there din si Pink 96. Ito yung mga content, mga adopted member. Yan, mga member din yan, adopted. Okay. Saka si Shen Piano Salon. Yan, si Ma'am Shen. Yan o. So yun, ng vlog ni Pogi Boy. Hanap tayo ng iba pang mga pictures natin, ha? Marami-rami na yan na hindi pa na pictures natin. Shout out Honey Pie. Member, adopted member din ito. Si Honey Pie, si Fish 1 Nanan, adopted member ko din ito. Okay, na-shout out ito kayo na. Hanap tayo ng iba, yung medyo malayo. Ito, si Christy Nicola. Okay, na-shout out. So, yun na si Kuan. Video pictures natin si Mr. Pogi Boy. Yan. So, hanap tayo ng isa. So, siya lang. Nagra-run pa yan. Yan. Hanap tayo ng isa pang video pictures. Promote. Talent. So, ipipicture natin si Ship Hit. Yan. Maya konti, ha. Nag-loading pa rin si Ship Hit. Ito naman. May ads pala si Kwan. Si Pogi Boy. Okay lang. Kahit may shout out Christy Nicola. Si Angel Heaven, shout out. Yan. Remis Watkins, si Orbix. Sila si NB Assam, yan, shout out. Inaw, ang ganda ng tulip. Pogi Boy ito. Hi darling. Ganda, oh. So, big screen na. Palakihan din. Yan, ganda. Shout out NB. Yan. Round and round. Shout out also to my friend from Korea din. Yan. It's Korean musician. Yan. Shout out Korean musician, my friend. Shout out. Rocos. Let's shout out also Rocco. Yan. Rocco. Videos. Yan. Shout out. Yan na, ganda. Gandang lugar, no? So, let's move to other music channel pictures. Ship Hit Dice, yan. Ship Hit Dice. One moment, ha. One moment in time. Oh, hindi pa naka-comment dito, ah. So, comment muna ako. Beep, beep, beep. Upil ako ng comment. Yan. Copying the comment of other YT friends. Kasi masirap kasi mag-type. So, yan na. Naka-comment na ako. So, yun, no? Malapit na sa matapos. Mga half na hapit. So, let's move to Ship Dice. Ship Hit Dice is from America also. Their friend ni Ma'am Fatima, living after 50s, and then Laverne 6. Yan. So, ito siya. Ship. Magaling magluto ito. Ito ang bagong pangalawang video na bago. So, Ship Hit. Shout out, then we'll play your video. Title of the video is chicken sweet and sour canton noodles. Okay. So while waiting for the video, tapos na si drone. Okay, play tayo ng isa, diba? I'm playing now with double meditation yata to. Double meditation. Yan. Playing video, watching your video now. This one. Okay. Ship It is ito na si Ship It. Okay. Sarap niyan. That's very, very wishy, yummy. Kainin tayo. Ito yung mais rice. May ads pa si Hit. Dalawang ads. Lang. Ano talaga. So, 8 minutes na. So, skip na yung ads para makita naman ang video niya. So, guys, don't forget to visit Ship Hit channel para i-subscribe siya at saka play yung mga videos niya. Okay. Yan. Okay.